Hello from issue 64 of our weekly report. Today, the FIFA World Cup final has just concluded. Congratulations to Spain on lifting the World Cup, and congratulations to Lamine Yamal on reaching the biggest stage as one of the defining stars of a new generation. Before the final, a photo of Messi and Yamal, taken nearly 20 years ago, went viral around the world. One is the undisputed GOAT who defined an era. The other is a rising star ready to define the next. There can only be one World Cup champion, but at FF, it's never a choice between one or the other. Our partner culture is built to help GOATs continue to thrive while empowering the next generation to become legends in their own right. We welcome more dream partners to join us as we create even greater value together in the physical AI era. First, let me share some encouraging progress from our S4 data core of the 4-core full-stack AI ecosystem. Following the high-quality delivery of the initial batch of data, the first customer of our EAI data factory has expanded its order to cover tens of thousands of data hours, more than 10 times the volume of the original order. The order value could potentially exceed 400,000 of an year term. At the same time, FFEAI Robotics has received an indication of interest for a pilot order from a top 20 company in the data industry. This marks the EAI data factory's transition from initial order validation to scaled expansion across multiple use cases. It further strengthens the end-to-end commercialization model of FF's data core and our real-world data advantage. As the first US company delivering both humanoid and bionic robots. The resulting data will in turn support EAI brain training, continued robot device iteration, and the advancement of industry solutions, accelerating the evolutionary flywheel of our 4-core full-stack AI ecosystem. As to user ecosystem, the first cohort of students has successfully completed the FF EAI Robotics Education Demonstration Summer Camp. Through hands-on projects, including modular programming, Python-based robot control, robot racing, and Navi exterior design, students from the Linwood and El Segundo school districts progressed from early exposure to EAI to practical engineering experience and creative expression. Based on their feedback, we will continue to build out and optimize our educational skills, agents, and curriculum system. The summer camp serves not only as a product validation platform, but also as a dual entry point for customer acquisition and sales conversion across both B2B and B2C markets. It will help drive scaled procurement and ongoing service delivery through an integrated offering of curriculum, robot devices, skills and agents, and productivity solutions, accelerating the development of our EAI robotics education system. FFEAI Robotics also made a stunning appearance at 3 high-profile robotics and AGI summits in Silicon Valley. These events not only strengthened FF's visibility and influence within the Silicon Valley robotics and AI community, but also connected our sales teams with potential customers, industry partners, and valuable use case resources and opportunities. In addition, several developers with academic backgrounds from leading universities, including Stanford and UC Berkeley, have joined our developer platform. Next, they will work with us to co-develop skills, agents, and industry productivity solutions for our 4 major industry ecosystems. On S5, capital markets and finance. As our robotics business continues to grow rapidly and gain recognition from the market and institutional investors, the company will accelerate its efforts to secure independent financing for the business. We will actively bring in medium to long-term financial and strategic investors, continue optimizing the financing structure, and support the next phase of R&D, product sales and deliveries, and scaled growth. Next, let me share an update on the robotics R&D and product sub-campaign under our Q3 4-core full-stack AI robotics practical deployment campaign. Core 1, EAI Brain. We are advancing post-training and real robot validation of our VLA and VAM world action models and deploying our whole-body control models, strengthening task understanding, motion planning, and coordinated execution. Core 2. EAI devices. We will continue advancing our one brain, multiple forms, and multiple forms, multiple capabilities device strategy, while further improving the real-world utility and use case adaptability of our 6 robot device series. Core 3. Industry productivity solutions. Across our 4 major industry ecosystems, we will build a shared foundation while developing differentiated capabilities for each. In education, we will advance low-code programming, skills and agents, and coordinated instruction across multiple EAI devices. In industrial applications, we will strengthen precision manipulation, task orchestration, and human-robot collaboration. In security and inspection, we will improve autonomous navigation, multimodal perception, anomaly detection, and remote control capabilities. Across our other existing market ecosystems, we will continue optimizing human-robot interaction and content orchestration. Meanwhile, our developer platform will continue improving its development tools and interfaces, along with the packaging, testing, and distribution of skills and agents. Core 4. EAI Data Factory. In Q3, we plan to complete general-purpose, beyond line-of-sight teleoperation software, enabling a single operator interface to control multiple robot models across form factors. We will also improve end-to-end efficiency across the data pipeline, from collection and cleaning through final delivery. The Q3 Robotics practical deployment campaign is now fully underway. Our team will go all out to translate our 4-core full-stack AI ecosystem advantages and first-mover advantage as the first U.S. company to achieve scaled robot deliveries into tangible user value and meaningful business growth. More to come next week. See you then.